We're currently at Littleton Port Company's new Straddle crane workshop. The port is situated 20 minutes from Christchurch's CBD and is responsible for over 500,000 TEUs, making this one of the largest container terminal operations in the South Island of New Zealand. Aquatech were engaged to design and construct an FRP solution for wastewater receival from the new Straddle crane workshop.
AquaPro was engaged by Hawkins Construction to undertake the installation of a wastewater pump station here at the LPC Straddle workshop.
The main goal of the project from a wastewater perspective was to bring an end-to-end design solution that was both robust and of low maintenance. We understood that Aquatech had a good quality product that would work within the harsh marine environment. We needed a pump that had a good track record and that we placed a high value on it being low maintenance. The project had a number of challenges, not only what was in the ground, but the port is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week operation. The system had to work through the existing infrastructure that is within the port, and so there was a lot of communication between ourselves and Aquatech's design engineers.
The site was quite challenging with truck movements constantly next to our site. Aquatech was great to deal with, the communication was great, also the site visits were informative and planning was easy.
All of this wouldn't be possible without our partners Aegis, Hawkins and AquaPro. We would like to thank our client Hawkins Construction and our partners who made this project a success.